Hello, and today we are doing a surprise kind of pop-up video. So apparently there's been a Backstretch Battles update because now there is the ramps map is back. I have not played the ramp map before, so we're gonna play it. Yeah, I did not know this was happening. I was going through my normal cycle of cars. That's why I'm on Jimmy McMurray. I would be on Gordon. But yeah, my first time running the ramp map. So I'm excited. I know a lot of people didn't really like it because they need the ramps more visible. I'm fine with it as long as there's no one like pushing me. It seems fine to me. I understand why they would want it more visible, but it seems like a fun map, so. Whoa, okay, those ones I think I need more visible. The speed bumps are fine, it's those actual ramps I think could use some work. This is actually a fun map, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, not when you're getting turned and almost going over the fence and then crowd surfing and then almost going over again and then actually going over one time and then saving it. Like an absolute legend, that is perfectly fine with me. The wrecking part is not, but saving it, that is fine with me. What was the purpose of that? Take every inch of that and enjoy it with the side of an engine failure, okay? Alright, there hasn't been a ramp for a while. That may have been because I was wrecking, but still. Kind of weird. We got Anthony Alfredo and Daniel Suarez hitting each other. That's not going to be good because we're trying to get past them. Oh, this is... Oh, the third... Oh, there goes Logano. Logano's getting turned. So is Daniel Suarez by Bill Elliott. Suarez up in the air. Not gonna lie, I did not think I see that. One of the Jamie McMurray's cars is about to wreck Alfredo into me. Alright. Down to the bottom of the racetrack, 3 wide. With Jamie McMurray 77 and Anthony Alfredo, and we're getting turned. Do not tell me I got stuck on the catch fence. Okay, good. Yeah, I see why people wanted the ramps a little more visible. Alright, now I see why they removed this map for a little bit. Okay. Oh, come on! Well, I don't think we're gonna win, but at least I got to play the ramp map and see, and understand why. They need the speed bumps like these, I'm fine with. Why does it... Yep, we're out of contention, definitely now. I'm done for. It's gonna give me the 264, isn't it? Yep, okay. Well, that's great. Here, can I see how... Oh my gosh, yeah, they need to make those visible. Okay. Alright, well, that's kind of a bummer that I went for the lead and it ended up being my downfall. But, yeah. Our only hope now is they all crash and then go over the catch fence. That's really our only hope. If not, they're gonna have to wreck each other and all be backwards or parked really bad. Because I don't even see them and I have full graphic quality on. They have to be near the finish line, surely, right? Alright, that part's kind of interesting. I guess I'm okay with that. Maybe make it a little less bumpy, but... Or maybe have it a little bit higher and then kind of a little more like actual stairs. But I'm fine with that part. I wish the end was like a mega ramp where it goes way up and then you hit a giant ramp and then you land down on the bottom one. And then, like, it's kind of like a U, but it's straight up, so you land and then it goes down almost to the like kill limit where it kills you, and then you go back up, and then if you don't get to the finish line, you can't win the race or something like that. They have to be close to the finish line, right? I mean, if they're not in... Oh, wow, we got bumps. We got bumps. And more bumps. I mean, there they go. Okay. Well, we didn't win, but we're probably going to finish the race. We're going to have a final finishing position of 8th place. I mean, then again, it was my first time. Okay, it says we're first, but that's just because we're the furthest car away from spawn. And closest to the finish line. Come on, get me to the line. Why am I lagging? I am lagging so bad. Tunnels? What's this? Oh, I know what this one is. Okay.